when your anxieties raise to the level of delusion suffocates you, the decisions you make are sure destroyer of your life. So, during the time anxiety becoming delusion, you should focus on developing conscious cognition and let the suffocations become irrelevant. Wait till those suffocations die. Don't try to do 2 minutes meditation of conscious cognition and wait and see whether suffocation disappeared. No. That is like the monkey which tried to dig the mango seed and see every day whether it has sprouted or not. I used to tell a monkey story. A master had 3 monkeys. He gave one mango to the first monkey and said, grow mango tree out of it. That fellow just ate and threw the seed and went away. He called the second monkey and said, grow the mango tree out of it. That fellow swallowed the seed also and he was waiting for the tree to sprout from his stomach. Then the third monkey came. This time master gave a clear instruction. Hey, you have to dig a pit, put the seed and water every day. And that monkey was very obediently doing it. Even after 3 months, the seed has not sprouted or the tree has not happened. Master called the monkey and asked, why, what happened? Did you do what I said? Monkey said, yes, master. I planted the seed. Religiously, I am pouring water. I even brought little fertilizers. And master asked, why it is not sprouting? Why the tree is not happening? Monkey said, I also don't know, master. Every morning, I dig it and check whether the tree has come out. It's not coming. Have little patience. Do conscious cognition. That is what is exactly samyama. I should say the word samyama can be translated into conscious cognizing. Conscious cognizing is samyama. The samyama technique can be called as consciously cognizing technique. Conscious cognition.
If you found this video entertaining, entraining, and enlightening,
take a moment to like, share, and subscribe.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for tuning in.